Today, I want to walk through the HHIP 8600-3403 ring for a 3-ton ratchet arbor press and show what you can expect from it. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. This is a simple part, but it matters because the ring sets how cleanly the ratchet action lands and how steady the press feels under load. I'm using a screencast here, not a video of the part itself, since I can't film the hardware at the moment.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
Still, the details should be clear enough so you know if it fits your setup. The first thing to note is the inner diameter. This ring comes in at about 56 millimeters, which matches most 3-ton ratchet arbor press frames. If your press isn't standard, or you're working with an older model, it's worth checking the bore size because tolerance on these frames can vary. The ring is made from plain carbon steel, nothing fancy, but the surface is usually smooth enough to seat without chatter. The machining on the edges tends to be clean, though some users report light burrs that need a quick pass with a file or sandpaper. Not a deal breaker, but you should expect to do a little prep if you like a perfect fit. The weight and thickness feel right for a press of this size. It doesn't flex, and it handles the impact from the ratchet pawl without deforming. Still, it's not a precision ground part. If your press has wear on the frame, or you're missing other components, this ring won't magically tighten everything up. It just replaces the ring. If the ratchet feels sloppy, the problem may be in the pawl or the teeth, not the ring itself. What stands out is how simple the installation is. You slide the ring over the ram support area, seat it, and lock everything back together. Most presses don't require force fitting. If it does feel tight, it's usually because of paint or casting imperfections inside the frame. A little cleanup normally fixes it. Once in place, the ring helps keep the ram aligned and gives the ratchet mechanism a steady landing surface. When everything is seated right, the press feels smoother and the pawl engages with a cleaner click. Some people expect a hardened steel ring, but this one isn't that. It holds up fine for everyday shop use, but if you're pushing the press at its limit or doing repetitive heavy jobs, you may see marks over time. That's normal for untreated steel. The part is inexpensive and that's reflected in the finish, but for a replacement or a backup, it does the job without drama. The main thing is to check the fit before blaming the part. These presses come from different factories and tolerances are not always exact. The ring works well when paired with a frame that matches the advertised spec, and it's a simple way to get a worn press back into usable shape. If your original ring cracked or walked out of alignment, this one is a straightforward fix. That's the overview. If you want more videos on small shop hardware when repair parts, hit subscribe and give the video a like.